Haven't done this before, do me a favor and make sure you start off with a lighter weight and work your way up. We're gonna focus on stability at the same time with the curls. So, reason why I do stuff like this from time to time is just to show you how important foot placement is. You're gonna notice it's gonna be a lot harder to stabilize your body as you do the curls. If you're not up for the challenge, you can just do regular bicep curls with an easy bar. But like I said, before you do this, just do me a favor and make sure you start off with a lighter weight. Mainly if you haven't done it before, get the mechanics together, because you're gonna notice that once you go up with the weight, you're gonna easily notice that you start pressing through the feet, which you may shift left, you may shift right. But within us doing this, we should still be able to connect with the body and everything be nice and fluent. Boom, ooh, look at that, super mom over here. Remember the Bosu ball, and she got a nice solid drive. Easy, easy. And she chose to go a little bit closer with the grip. So you can switch out if you want close or you want moderate grip. I'm personally using a moderate grip over here. Nice and easy. Just back at it again. Remember, get your foot placement together first before you start your curls, and you can go into your curls. Easy. It's nice clean 10. Nice clean 10. Woo. Nice and clean. Easy. See, abs nice and tight. Like she ain't even shifting at all. She's not shifting at all. That's how you want to do it. Nice clean 10. Nice and easy, last set. Remember, nice clean 10. Remember, solid footing. Remember, the technique on your curls should be A1. No janky curls. Should be nice and A1. Easy. Clean the whole way. Out of the burnouts, if you don't use resistance bands, you're sleeping. But it's gonna be these curls. Always remember with resistance bands, one thing to be mindful of, if you spread the feet a little bit further, then at the end of the day, you're gonna create more resistance with the bands. And also I always say with this one, I'd rather you go with a heavier band, the heaviest band that's available to you in the gym. But do remember, control down. So I do want you to explode up, squeeze, control down. Explode up, squeeze, control down. That's gonna be the finisher. If you want to do 2 sets, 3 sets, by all means, have fun, but you only really need 1 set of 20 just to finish it off. With that said, it's your boy Coach K.